Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Our latest project now is we're going to be taking out that wall right there. That's coming out, and we're going to actually take this wall and we're going to move it back over to here. Right here. As you can see, it's about a little over 3 feet from there to there. We want to make the kitchen a little bit wider, so this wall's coming out and it's going back all the way back to that wall right there. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is all of these cabinets here have to come out. We're going to take these out, which is quite simple. We're just going to come up on the top up here, unscrew the screws. As you can see up on the top right here, there's always screws there. We're going to take them out there and there, and of course down on the bottom underneath here as well. We're going to take those screws out there and there. We're going to disconnect our under the cabinet lighting, and we're going to take these cabinets down. Now these screws here, this one's coming out. Let's get zoomed out. This one is coming out. This one is coming out. And there's one up the top up there that's also coming out, because that actually holds this cabinet to that cabinet right there. So we're going to remove this whole bank of cabinets right here, including these refrigerators surround, and we're going to put this off to the side. These cabinets are going to be reused again because they're fairly new. Alright, but everything else is coming out. That wall is going to be gone. This doorway is going to be relocated from the stairs here that go down into the basement. It's going to be relocated to a new location, which is going to be on this side right over here. We're going to steal some space from over here. We are not going to have the door on this side here any longer. That door is now going to be around the other side, right over here. Right here is going to be the door that's going to lead down to the basement. So what we're going to do, we're going to put up a wall right inside here. We're going to cut a hole in the floor right here, and we're going to put a new staircase going down from this point down into the basement. I'll bring you the basement and I'll show you what that looks like too. And it's pretty much going to mimic what you see right here. There's a closet door. Over here is going to be a basement door going down to the basement. And of course, we're going to relocate the light switches. This light switch here is going to come off, and it's going to go right over here. We're also going to put an outlet down over there. And over here, we're going to wind up stealing a little bit of space over here, because we need to extend this further down to cut this part of the floor out right here, because we need to get headroom down below. Alright, so let's go down the basement and we'll talk about what we're going to do down there. Okay, so this is down in the basement now. These are the stairs that lead down. As you can see, the stairs come down this direction right here. What we are going to have different is the stairs, instead of coming this way from the top here and down, it's going to be the opposite way. The stairs are now going to go from on this side here. They're going to actually go from the top right here, and they're going to come down and come over to this side over here. So you'll be coming down the stairs down on this side. But as you can see, we do have up underneath here, we have the HVAC vents underneath here. These vents are all going to be relocated to a new location. I'm thinking they're going to go from there. We're going to move them over to there on this side, over in this area right in here. And the last thing we have to do before we do anything is we need to come in here. We need to cut a hole in the floor right here, put in a concrete pad with rebar to support the load up here, because we're going to cut all of these joists that you see up here. These are all going to be cut so that we can come down the stairs over here. Now the joists themselves now, they go over here and they sit up on top of this wall right here. But this is going to be cut out, so we won't have that. So we need to have that column in over in this area to support the load of the floor up there. And last but not least, we are going to have to relocate the gas line, because the gas line, let's see, the gas line is actually comes across right there, and it runs across this way here and up here, up through the floor over there to the back of the stove. So we're going to have to relocate that gas line to up in this area right over in here over here. All right, of course, we're going to have to redo the electrical work as well, because now when you come down the stairs, the light switch to control the lights is here. We are now going to have it over on that side over there. All right, and let's go upstairs, and I'm going to tell you one more thing we're going to do up there. Okay, so after we take this wall out here and relocate that wall back over against there, all of this electrical work inside here is going to be replaced as well. And just so you know, we are going to have a licensed electrician come in to relocate all of these electrical outlets, so everything is 100% safe. We are going to have a licensed plumber come in to relocate the gas line for the stove down over here, because we are not going to take a chance of having anything go wrong. All right, so the last thing we're going to do, of course, when we move these cabinets and we bring them back up against this old wall over here, we're going to have a 3-foot section of floor that's going to be missing. So what we're going to do is we're going to rip up this floor and we're going to put the new floor in. All right, so stay tuned. We're going to have a fairly long video series coming up very shortly. I'll keep you posted and let you know how it goes. And of course, we are going to have the city do all the inspections needed so that we don't have any problems. Now, as you do know, maybe you don't know, all of these tiles here are going to be going too. So we'll be replacing the tiles backsplash as well. All right, stay tuned. Let's get our tools out and let's get started. Now, just so you know, we did have to have an architect come in here and do all the architectural drawings, and the drawings had to be approved by the township before we can do any kind of work in here, because as I said, we are going to have inspections just to make sure everything goes exactly as planned. All right, we're going to come in here now. We're going to measure everything out. We're going to mark on the floor exactly where we're going to make our cuts, and then we're going to get started and get this job rolling along. In the kitchen over here, everything, as I told you, is going to be removed and taken out. We're going to save these countertops as well, so they're going to be coming off and being reused in the future. Just so you know, countertops are only held down with silicone. You just get up underneath there with a utility knife and a pry bar, and you can lift up on them, and as they pull up, you can just cut the silicone and pull it off. All right, as I said, everything here is going to be removed. Cabinets are going to be unscrewed and removed from the walls. And of course, the refrigerator surround is going to be removed as well.